78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Meet Sarah, 28, earning $45K a year. She's one of them. Struggling to make ends meet. Sarah's story begins like many others. She graduated from college, landed a decent job, and thought she was set. But the harsh reality hit her fast. Rent was $1,800 a month, utilities $150, and food $500. That's $2,450 just to survive. Her paycheck was $3,750 a month. Not much left over. 60% of Americans can't afford a $1,000 emergency. Sarah was part of this statistic. She had $200 in savings. That's it. One unexpected expense would ruin her. She lived in constant fear. Meet the average American, with $6,100 in credit card debt. Sarah owed $5,000 on her card. 18% interest rate. She was paying $750 a month just in interest. It was a never-ending cycle. The breaking point came when Sarah's car broke down. $1,500 to fix it. She had to take out another loan. 20% interest this time. She felt trapped. That's when she discovered the shocking truth. 40% of Americans spend more than they earn. She was part of the problem. Sarah found a financial blog online. It changed everything. She learned about the 50/30/20 rule. 50% for necessities, 30% for discretionary spending, and 20% for saving and debt repayment. Simple yet powerful. She started by cutting back on dining out. $500 a month saved. Then she canceled subscription services. $150 a month saved. She put it all towards her debt. $750 a month plus the $500 she saved. $1,250 a month towards her debt. In 1 year, Sarah paid off her credit card debt. She saved $10,000 in a separate account. Her credit score improved by 150 points. She was no longer living paycheck to paycheck. The average American saves 7.5% of their income. Sarah now saves 25% of hers. She's on track to retire early. Her story is a testament to the power of taking control of your finances. You can be like Sarah. Start by tracking your expenses. Make a budget that works for you. Cut back on unnecessary spending. And put everything towards your debt and savings. It's time to escape the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Subscribe now to WealthWise AI for more stories like Sarah's and start building the financial future you deserve.